Cubana Millennium City, Asaba. This is not just a city, this is a statement. My people, what in God's name is this level of luxury? And to think that Obi Cubana is moving so fast. From the layouts to the architecture, the finishing, the space, everything here is screaming premium lifestyle, premium luxury. Not noise, not hype, just clean, intentional luxury. And now, hear this part very well. Obi Cubana is saying 40 units of super luxury 6-bedroom buildings are officially coming up for sale starting from March 2026. The pace in which this man is moving, I bet you, is so fast. 6 bedrooms, super luxury, inside a city that already looks like the future. Let's be honest, anything Odogu touches is not just business as usual. It's lifestyle, it's class, it's luxury with meaning. Cubana Millennium City is not trying to impress anyone. It already knows who it is. And the focus right now is getting Zone A fully ready, so families can start moving in before the end of 2026. This is not just real estate, this is legacy living. This is Asaba, entering a whole new conversation. We'll be taking you along on this journey, step by step, block by block, luxury by luxury. So if I were you, I would get stuck to this channel. Because this city, they are just getting started. This is Update People TV.